wanted to make a quick something to show you guys too. Before you pull out these rods, I had this happen inside of there. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's really hard to. But there's a spring with this little piece in there, and mine's kind of mangled because I didn't realize that was in there when I pushed this back in. But there's a spring up underneath that piece. Don't let it fall out. If you pull your rods out on this side, underneath right there, there's a spring and a little metal ball. Again, don't let that fall out. When I pulled mine out, it shot across the room. I luckily found it. It's a pain in the ass getting these rods back in though. The reason mine's not done yet is because my shift fork, the one I just bought, this one, if you look at how thick the top of this part is, when it was in here, it was not, it can't go past this. It's hitting the other new shift fork. It's too thick. If you compare this to the old one, look at the thickness difference. So these Taiwan castings are just shitty. So I got to take it to the machine shop tomorrow at work and then grind that down to make it that thin so it can clear the other shift fork. So I bought these off Amazon. That's one of the part numbers right there. The other one is right there. And I'll tell you that pretty pissed off because I was hoping to have this done tonight, but I can't because I got a bad part. I'm sure this is probably made in fucking Taiwan or China. I don't know. It doesn't say. But so yeah, just watch out for that too. Make sure you guys pay attention because my shifter wouldn't shift at all. It wouldn't move back and forth. And I'm looking at it, it's hitting right in there. So keep that one in mind too.